Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna do a few mods to my car. It's not big mods, but it's fun mods that I think will make a difference. So let's see how that goes. Hey guys, okay, we're at my car right now in the garage. So you're probably wondering what type of mods I'll be doing. Well, a couple of days ago my dad's headlights blew out. Well, one of his headlights blew out, and so yeah, I was kind of thinking maybe it's time to do a little bit of a light upgrade on my car. So let's just see how that goes. Okay, so I think the first light modification we should do is right over here. See that really terrible yellow light, interior light and stuff like that? I think it's time to maybe change that. Okay, so let me just show you how easy it is to actually change this light. Just so that you know, you're propped on my seat, so I don't know how the angle looks. Okay, so I'll be replacing it with these LEDs. So it was, as you can see, 50 rands, very cheap, very accessible, and it's also a white light, so it won't be this yellow anymore. So that I like. So just put that off and then it starts. Just so that everyone knows, this is the wrong way of doing it. You're not supposed to pull out the mount, you're just supposed to pop this off. But I'm too lazy to get something to pry this off, so I'm gonna pull out the light bulb, push it forward, put it back in, and hope it works. Ooh, that's hot. That's extremely hot. So I'm just gonna wait till it cools off, then I'll be right back to you. Okay, yet again we are back. So the light has cooled off enough so I can actually get it out. It's actually extremely easy to get it out. It's just a push and pop. As you can see, this is the light. It's a very yellow, very bad light. I don't like it. So I just hope this LED light fits, and also that it works a lot better than this light. So let's just see. Just gonna open this one up. As you can see, it's a little bit bigger. It's about 2 millimeters bigger. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's about 2 millimeters bigger than the original, but I think it will fit, so I'm not that stressed out about that. So let me just pop the front out and do it the correct way. Just, yeah, that's supposed to be in there. Okay, so as you can see, these lights must face down, so put it in there. Never mind, or you can just drop it, that's also fine. Okay guys, so I had to do a slight modification. By modification I mean I had to bend everything just so the light would fit in this. So I actually bent this back. As you can see, there's a nice bent mark over there. So I bent this part back, also bent this part back. As you can see, it's also slightly bent, because I really didn't think that 2 millimeters would do such a big difference. But yeah, anyway, so let me show you how it all fits in together. Here you can see there's the holding mount right there, and then there's a slip in right there. You can see there's a little notch over here. So first things first, put it in the mount, align that point, and then just slide it in. So that's how it's supposed to look. Then pop this thing back in, if I can get it in. Sometimes it's just a struggle, everyday struggle, you know. And then put the wire back in. Okay, before I do anything else, I'm just gonna see if the light works. Oh, that looks a lot better. Okay, now I know I said the whole time, okay, it's gonna be light mods, but I also got myself a new shift knob. So it's actually very easy to install, very easy to do. Okay, well, so I should have known that the lighting in the garage is pretty terrible. New gear knob, so let's see. So I'm just gonna make sure it's tight enough, and also the right side up. So there we go. So that's how the new knob looks in comparison with the old one. I actually like this one because it's a lot heavier than this knob, so it feels like the gear lever is actually lighter. So as you guys know, a lighter gear lever leads to 3 seconds per shift. So my car does probably 0 to 60 now in like 4 seconds with this new gear knob, obviously. So yeah, but this is not the only mods left in the car. We still have to do one more mod. So yeah, let's see how that goes. Okay guys, so as you can see, my hood is up. So what do you guys think the next mod will be? Well, it's nothing to do with the engine, it's nothing to do with the intakes, nothing to do with batteries, nothing to do with the horn. So I'm gonna replace my old headlights, these lights, with this one's gonna be more white light, more bright, and this one's gonna be an LED, so that look more modern, more sleek, if you want to say that. And so yeah, let's get started. Okay, so last time my camera died, so I'm just gonna, well, I finished up what I was busy doing, so I'll just show you how to finish up the job. It's actually very simple, very easy, and it's not that complicated. So I don't know if you can see this, but here's the whole headlamp clamp. Just pull this out. Just pull this clamp out of here. It takes a little bit of force, but this is how the connector looks and everything. So, and then you just pull off this rubber, put it somewhere safe so you don't forget it, and then there are clips here. So you just remove the clips, take out the headlights, and then do everything in reverse. And the big thing is, this thing has to be aligned. See that little divot there? That has to be on the bottomest side of the headlamp, or else the headlight would shoot up or sideways and it would look like you have brights on without having brights on. So that's very annoying. But these headlights, I've been driving like this for about a week now. It's absolutely amazing. It's very good. The lighting is perfect. It's not that yellow light, this is like more of a white light, and I really love this. And as you can see, I also put LEDs in, but that's a simple job. It's like just pull out, put in. There's nothing complicated with anything else. There's no clamps or anything. It's just pull out, put in. Now for the putting back together. Again, put back the rubber. Make sure it's over the connectors of the headlamp. Simple, just push in, and then just again push in the connector for power. There we go. I also did I took a few photos at night with the lights and everything, so I'll just put it up right now. Then you can see how it looks. I think it looks amazing. I really like the parking lights and everything. So yeah, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.